In this video, I'm going to show you how to book a cab in Bangalore. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright guys, there's a few different ways to book a cab in Bangalore. So you can use a whole different range of apps on your mobile device like Uber, Didi, Book My Cab, etc. But for this demonstration, I'm going to use the Uber app because it's one of the most popular going around and the easiest to use I've found. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead to your Play or App Store and download Uber, install it, and then create an account and log in. There's a few videos on YouTube how to do that, so I'm not going to run you through how to do that on this tutorial. So once you've done that, you'll be brought to the home page here of Uber. And now click on where to, so that means where you'd like to travel to. So if I want to, for this demonstration, head over to the Bangalore Palace from the Bangalore train station, I'm going to type in Bangalore Palace. Here it is here, so I'm going to choose the Bangalore Palace. And now I need to go back because I need to put my location up the top here. So I'm going to be leaving from the Bangalore train station. This is just for demonstration purposes. I'm not actually there. All right, so the Bangalore East Railway Station. And now this is going to say gathering options. So you can see how, so if I book this Uber now at the premier price, or I can just do the cheaper one here. Depends which one you want to use. On just generally go the cheaper one. So if I click on the cheaper one, it's going to tell me it is 4 minutes away. Sorry, it's going to be 4-minute drive from there to there. So if I go and click on confirm Uber Go, generally this car, you can see it's pretty close to my location here. So that's probably going to be a couple of minutes away, not even that. If I go ahead and click on confirm. So he'll arrive in a couple of minutes and then it will take me there. So it'll probably take less than 10 minutes to get from my destination, from where I am. When you're here, you can choose your payment methods, how you like to pay. So at the moment, I've got my MasterCard details here. If you want to change this, or if you need to set up one, it might say set up payment. So click into that, and then click on to add payment method if you want to add a new payment method. And you can use credit card, debit card, PayPal, Google Pay, gift card, Zip. So just go through the process, adding in your credit card details or PayPal details, etc. So once you've done that, head back, click on confirm. In my case, it's going to be Uber Go, and then he's going to send me a text message or give me a call, or you'll be able to see it on your app once he has arrived to my location. And then after that, it is a smooth process to take me to the location I want to go to, which is the Bangalore Palace.